machine learning research engineer from Scalable.
Hello, I'm Sanchit Singh. I'm a computer vision lead at Scalable Business Solutions.
We would love to present to you a presentation about transfer learning with CNNs in most modern architectures, and mainly the common pitfalls and ideas that you should be aware to and what can wait for you on the way. All the code, we will start with learning rate and slowly progress down to the more intrigued ways of actually messing up your results. Everything will be shown in a Google Colab, so everyone can work on it on their own, at home or during the presentation. And in the end, we will try to explore the inner workings of modern convolutional networks, see what are the possibilities of transfer learning, and then even if we do everything correctly at the end, the result may not turn what we want it to be. So I hope we will see each other in November on the conference, and see you till then.
Bye-bye.